All right, so today I hosted my show like I do every day, and I was talking about business and tax strategies for 2022. And one of the things that I wanted to just share on this video is that whether you're a W-2 employee, whether you're a 1099 independent contractor, self-employed, network marketer, or if you have a legitimate business, maybe you're all three. You got a business, you got some 1099 work that you do as a contractor, and you're an employee. Whatever the case is, your business and tax strategies for 2022 need to be figured out before 2022. So let's say, for example, as a W-2 employee, if you participated in any income shifting strategy by revisiting your W-4, going up on your allowances, exemptions, or what is commonly known as dependents, and you got an increase in net pay because your withholdings went down, then you have to pair that with business strategies. Most people pair it by starting a network marketing business or doing some type of 1099 work where they can write off certain deductions. I generally recommend people to start a business. Even if you're doing network marketing, or even if you're a real estate agent or some type of 1099 contractor, I would prefer you to have a business and to at least see if your 1099 contracting can be ran to your business, meaning that instead of them giving you a 1099 and your social security number, they give it to you through your EIN number. That would be the ideal recommendation that I would give. But either way, your strategies now as you prepare for 2022 need to be in light of how much income you have coming in or had this year, how many expenses do you have, and do you have enough expenses or business deductions and write-offs to justify these decisions that you made, the W-4 revisit, the 1099 income, or any other side hustle income, and then business income. Like, you need to work that out now. And so if you work it out now, what's probably going to have to happen is you're going to have your business set up the right way if you don't have one. But you can do this before the year's out. You could start and structure a holding company or any company within a couple days. And then you want to connect that business to a bank account. So let's just assume that you didn't have this set up this year and you ran all your income through your personal account. Well, guess what? You're going to have to connect that to your QuickBooks account and then go back and reconcile the transactions that would be considered business deductions and write-offs and what income came in, so that you can, at least before this year is out, try to reach out to a CPA or somebody who's an expert and let them look at your transactions to see if you were to do your taxes based on what the numbers are that you have, what would your tax liability be if in fact you had any. So these are the business and tax strategies that you got to figure out and flesh out before the new year. A lot of people, they're going to wait until next year to get into 2022, and then they're going to go to the tax person and say, I need you to do my taxes for me for 2021. And then the tax person going to say, well, you owe $6,000 in taxes, or you owe $8,000, or you owe $4,000. It's like, hi, old man, you messed up my taxes. Not really. You needed to track that this year before you got into the new year, and you needed to at least reconcile it to see, were there things that I could have done to change it to make it a little easier. Now, if you need some help with that, feel free to reach out to us. We have a department that starts and structures holding companies. If you cannot do it yourself, or any operating LLC, we have a team of people who do that for us. And you could go to RamonPreston.com, and there's a link to show you we start LLCs. You can fill that information out and we could do it for you, or we can get you onboarded to our Millionaire Blueprint, our business and financial wealth building program. And we have tutorials and walkthrough videos to show you how to do it yourself with the paperwork, the documents, the operating agreements, and all. And if you need help configuring a QuickBooks account so that you can connect your bank account and get all this done within the next couple of days. We have workshops and trainings to walk you through that process as well. Feel free to just reach out to me. You could text the word millionaire to 404-478-7213. That's 404-478-7213. I'm just trying to help a lot of people in my community do what's necessary now in terms of business and tax strategies, so that when you get into 2022, you're not disappointed. Because if you're just going into the new year off speculation and assumption, your speculation and assumption is going to lead to disappointment. We don't want disappointment. We don't want penalties. We don't want to be beat across our head because we were unwilling or unable to implement the right strategies now. So millionaire, millionaire, millionaire. Text the word millionaire, millionaire, millionaire. Text millionaire to 404-478-7213 and or go to RamonPreston.com.